Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a indicator light reset on a 2008 Mercedes C300. It's usually light indicator A or B. So when you turn on the engine, this is what you're going to get, meaning that it's time for maintenance or like an oil change or something like that. And what you want to do is you want to reset. To get to this screen, you make sure that the key is on position 1. On the right side there's a call button, and then on the left side there's an OK button for that. So you want to go ahead and press OK to clear that off, and make sure that you're on the odometer screen for it to work. So what you want to do is you want to press this call button first, and then you want to go ahead and press this OK button second for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then once you do that, you'll get to the screen for that. And then what you want to do is, once you get to the screen, you want to go down to which is like the third menu, the Assisted Plus. You want to click OK on that, and then you want to go down to full service, and then you want to go all the way down to full service, which is like the last button. You want to click OK, and then it's going to ask you if you want to carry this out, and then you want to say yes, and then confirm, and then it's going to say full service carry out, and then you just want to exit out, and then turn the once you turn the key on, and then there you go, the assistant light indicator is reset.